Hello, we're watching the Skooter blog channel, and today I'm going to unbox and review these Fosmon chargers. Two Fosmon chargers with two USB outputs on each one. So let's take a closer look at them. Here I have both of them. Here on the side we have some specification. They accept the model is C-10735US, and the input can be anything from 100 to 240 volts, and both 50 or 60 hertz, so it works pretty much anywhere on the planet. And the total output is 5 volts up to 2.4 amps, so it's a strong charger. And the plug here is the US plug, so if you are on North America you don't have to use any adapters. Since I am in Brazil, I'll have to use an adapter here to make it work on our outlets. So let's see how it works. So in order to test this charger, here I have my cell phone, my Xiaomi Mi 9 cell phone, and my iPad, 6th generation iPad. So let's put the charger here in the outlet. It turns blue. It has a blue LED there to indicate that it's working. And let's connect one of the outputs to the cell phone. And it is charging. You can see here, it is charging. But let's see how much amperes, how much current it's actually taking. So with this meter here, I can see that it's taking 1.47 amperes, which is the maximum amount that my phone takes. So now we know that the charger actually provides a big current, a high current. So let's see how it behaves with the iPad. So let's put the iPad here, and it is charging. It's take 1.1218 amperes, and here you can see that it is charging. It is charging and taking up to 1.5 amperes. In both USB outputs, it works just fine. Let's see what happens when I use both the USB output at the same time. Unfortunately, I don't have two meters, but let's check if it will keep charging both equipments. And yes, it's charging the cell phone, and it's still charging the iPad. The iPad is charging here. And there is no drop on the current, neither for the iPad. And now let's check. Let's check the phone. And the phone is taking 1.2 amperes. So if we sum both of them is around 1.2, 1.3. So if we sum them, we will get to the 2.4. That is what the charger actually provides, the maximum amount of current that the charger actually provides. So I think it's a good charger. It is delivering what it promised, and since it has two outputs, it would be a good choice for travels, so you don't have to take space with two chargers and take two hotel outlets. They usually don't have many outlets on the rooms, so it's nice that you can use only one for both a cell phone and a tablet or whatever you have. So I think these Fosmon chargers are good choice of chargers to have at home or to travel. So that's it. That's my review of the Fosmon charger. And if you want to buy these chargers, you can find the link to buy them in the description of this video. And thank you for watching.